Power BI is no longer just a visualization tool but is becoming an AI-powered analytics platform. And with AI at its core, it helps businesses gain deeper insights and make smarter decisions faster. The numbers speak for themselves. Business intelligence is rapidly growing, with widespread adoption, rising AI investments, and Power BI tools deployment. AI-driven visuals in Power BI combine advanced analytics with ease of use, helping you explore data, identify key drivers, and generate insights effortlessly. But it doesn't stop there. AI also simplifies data preparation, saving time on cleaning and transformation. It further enhances datasets by adding context through text analytics, sentiment detection, and more. As AI continues to evolve, Power BI is shaping the future of analytics by enabling smarter, faster, and more confident decision-making. To stay ahead in data science, master AI and Power BI skills. Take the next step with USDSI certification. Enroll today.